Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Anypro. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you decide which mini washer is best for your needs. The WonderWash is a manual, non-electric option that is compact and eco-friendly, while the Anypro offers a fully automatic experience with a larger capacity and advanced features. Let's dive in. When it comes to washing capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads or delicates. In contrast, the Anypro boasts an impressive capacity of 17.8 pounds, allowing you to wash larger loads, which is ideal for families or those with more laundry. This significant difference in capacity is a crucial factor to consider when choosing between these two machines. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring you to crank the handle for washing, which can be a workout but is also eco-friendly as it doesn't use electricity. On the other hand, the Anypro is fully automatic, offering a hassle-free experience with just the push of a button. This convenience is a significant advantage for those who prefer a more hands-off approach to laundry. Price is an essential consideration when choosing a washing machine. The WonderWash is priced at $69, making it an affordable option for those on a budget or living in small spaces. In contrast, the Anypro comes with a higher price tag of $199, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and laundry needs. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and Anypro have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The WonderWash is perfect for those seeking a compact, manual solution, while the Anypro offers convenience and larger capacity for a higher price. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.